If OneNote keeps launching every time you start your PC, you can stop that in just a few seconds. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to disable OneNote on startup so Windows boots faster and your desktop stays cleaner. If this tutorial helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Let's jump right in. First, press Ctrl, Shift, and S on your keyboard at the same time. This instantly opens Task Manager, which is where you can manage apps that run when Windows starts. If Task Manager opens in the compact view, don't worry. Just make sure you can see the full window. Next, look at the left side navigation bar and click the Startup Apps icon. It looks like a small tachometer or speedometer. If you're using an older version of Windows 10, you may see a Startup tab at the top instead. Click that tab to view the same list of startup programs. Now scroll through the list until you find Microsoft OneNote. Startup apps are usually listed by name, so take your time and locate the exact OneNote entry. Once you find it, left-click on OneNote to highlight it. After it's selected, look to the top right corner of the window and click Disable. That's the key step that stops OneNote from opening automatically when your computer turns on. After disabling it, you should see the status change, confirming that OneNote will no longer start with Windows. And that's it. You've successfully disabled OneNote on startup. This is a simple way to reduce clutter and potentially improve startup speed. If you want more easy Windows tutorials like this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.